Well, well, well. We did it again. There's another Yoda in the shop. Oh boy. Okay. So what is this thing? You guys have been kind of seeing it hang out, and I thought I was going to get my hands on it last week, but, you know, holidays, they hold you down when you're a family guy, right? So here we are. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And okay. We got some of that action. Another one right there. And over here on the other side of the roof, we got some more little chip action going on right here. So other than that, this thing's in pretty good shape. And they were on the way over here, and the hood popped up on them. So she got another little love tap to the window. But that's okay, because the window was bad anyway. And we didn't get the roof. And the hood already had this. So what's the story? Well, normally, and here for the last couple of years, I haven't really been doing small jobs. But this is one of those because I had a word of mouth business for a long time. We've been in this shop for many years. This is one of those old time clients, neighborhood fellers, family friend kind of thing. And I had a gap in between jobs, and he reached out to me and said, hey, this is my kid's rig. And our boys actually play football together, and he had a little boo-boo, and we don't want to spend $1 million on it, but can you help us out and fix this thing up? So I was supposed to fix up the roof and some clear coat issues on the A-pillar and that sort of a thing, and then they took this thing out to the trail and was tooling around and slipped over and took a batch of brush right there to the front corner. So they were kind of trying to decide what to do about it, and I said, you know, don't stress too much about it. I mean, I already had to fix some stuff anyway, so let's just bring it over and we'll see if we can find a hood. And I got a glass guy, and it doesn't really change what we're going to do on the roof and stuff anyway. So I'm gonna get the hood off of it, and I'm gonna talk to the customer and client and see if maybe we shouldn't just get this thing all done in one batch, and then we don't got to worry about it and it's down the road for the boy. I can look for a hood and then call the glass guy and get a quote on the glass and get him set up ready to go. None of my work changed up here, and that's all pretty straightforward and quick, and I know what I'm doing there. I did want to clean the tops of these fenders and make sure there's still decent clear coat there. Find a hood and get the headlight out, and then see if I can work this core support back into shape. If I can get that core support straightened out and get the headlight pointed in the right direction, and I think we could just get a hood for it and paint the hood, paint the roof, put a piece of glass in there, and then you guys would be down to finding new lights and a new grill. And you know, that might look a little funky, but put a winch bumper or something on there later on if that really bothers you, is what my call would be. Super cool truck. Super nice ride for a teenager. So we're gonna see if we can just get this thing fixed up. I appreciate you guys being here and sending me big jobs and small jobs and everything in between. I try to do my best to say yes to as much as I can, but you guys know when we do full meal deals how much work they take. So anyway, Monday morning, Happy New Year, appreciate you. We're gonna jump on it, and we'll see you guys very soon. Y'all take care.